What's something someone told you while drunk you wished they hadn't? My uncle shot my grandpa when he was 5 years old. Dad told me drunk. My uncle has always been the most miserable cold person, and it was that moment I realized why. Insane situation I wish I didn't know about. Reply. My cousin was like 12 to 13 when he pointed a rifle at his dad jokingly from far away. His dad was one of those macho, tough Mexican guys and shouted, "Shoot at me and see if you can hit me," then yelled out, "Come on, do it!" My cousin was pretty far away, pulls the trigger and split his head open in front of the whole family. My uncle never kept his guns loaded, but he didn't know that one of my uncles was going to take the guns and go hunting, so he had loaded them and put them by the door ready to go. He thought it wasn't loaded when he shouted that. My cousin did 10 years in jail, got addicted to drugs in there, and was never the same. He's out now and is pretty heavily addicted to drugs and lives with his mom at 47 years old.